New tonight, when it rains, it really pours. For one couple in Northeast D.C., their home in Brentwood has flooded several times over the last month. They believe it's part of a bigger problem that D.C. Water still hasn't fixed. So we sent our Matt Gregory out to see what's going on and what's being done to stop it.
So I started working on this story on Monday. A couple that lives on Downing Street in Northeast says several times over the last month their house has flooded, and each time DC Water's helped clear the drains but hasn't fixed the problem. So I started asking questions, and then today work crews showed up. Matt Maskell has a mess in his front yard.
It's frustrating because I just want it done. It's like why is there no sense of urgency?
What caused this hole started last Friday. As rains poured down over DC, something gross came up in his finished basement.
Raw sewage coming out of the basement shower drain and the basement stair drain on the outside of the door. Probably about a foot or so of water that was up against the door.
Maskell says it's not the first time. That was in 2023 when heavy rains led to the first basement flood.
No, hired a plumber like $1,500 later, 7 hours later. Donald ended up clearing our drain about 100 feet out into the street.
The plumber also told them that the problem was a damaged sewer pipe under Downing Street.
Called DC Water, let them know what happened. They put our claim on file, and we go about our business. Fast forward, 10 months or so, and it backs up again.
That was in May, and after the cleanup, Maskell says a DC Water representative told him crews would be out to fix the problem under Downing Street within 3 weeks. Instead, last Friday's flood, and now the basement is a wreck.
They relieved the problem in 2023. Never fixed it, which is why we're here now.
We reached out to DC Water, and a spokesperson sent us a statement that said in part they investigated the 2023 claim, and a plumber's report said no additional work was necessary from DC Water's end, and that, quote, oftentimes cleanup and damages are the responsibility of the property owner. Then when our crews went back to Downing Street on Tuesday, we found DC Water crews working on the pipes under the road. It's a problem Maskell believes could have been avoided, but instead, now he has to
tear out the walls, tear up all the floors, replace the door, re-waterproof, reseal everything, make sure the brick wasn't penetrated.
In Northeast D.C., Matt Gregory, WUSA 9.
That is a lot of work, and the raw sewage coming out of the drain. Well, DC Water says information is available on its website to help you prepare for and prevent flooding. There's also information on the claims process and what to do if you have a sewer backup. You can find all of that information on our website, WUSA9.com.